Hello friends, in previous video we have learned about conditional statements. So we have three conditional statements, if, else if and else. So now in this video we will learn about nested if. So nested if means putting one condition after another. So basically if nested if will check one condition, then if that condition is correct or true, then only it will check the next condition, and if both conditions are true, then the function or the statements written in it will be executed, otherwise it will jump to else part or the other condition available. So let's start coding, and first create a new file and write all the HTML tags which are necessary for our code. So saving this file as nested if.html and writing the other required tags also, so head tag and the script tag in the head tag. And after that I'm defining variables. First our variable will be age, and first variable is age, second variable is min age, and third variable will be max age. So basically we are going to create a program that will check whether the age of the user is eligible to do a course or not. So we will take input from the user by using prompt function. So prompt and enter your age. So it will ask the user to enter his or her age, and the minimum age to enter for the course is 18, and the maximum age to enter in a course will be 28. So we will put the first condition, the first if condition. Our condition will be the age should be greater than minimum age required for the course, and we will now if this condition is true, then only the next condition, which is age must be less than or equals to the maximum age to enroll in a course, and if both conditions are true, then only we will write document dot write. So it will say you are eligible to do this to do this course, or you can take part of this course, whatever you want to write. And if this age, suppose the user entered a age which is greater than the minimum age, but the age is greater than the maximum age, then this else part will be called, and we will I'm copying this and will paste in this else part, and will write you are not eligible for this course, or we can write your age is more than required for this course, so that we will consider it, because I'm writing the else part for this if also. So we have two if, so to differentiate between this and the other, we will have to change something. So you are, so it will say your age is more than, your age is more than required to do this course. Okay. And what if both means the first condition, this is suppose the user entered a age which is less than the minimum age, so else part will be called, and that else part says your age is less than required to do this course. So that's all for this code. Now we will save this file again and open the folder where we have saved this file. Our file name is nested if, so nested if is here. When this file opens, it will ask for the age. Suppose I enter 18. This is equals to the age which is necessary. So when we click OK, this says your age is less than required to do this course, as we have provided only greater than. We have not provided equals to operator here, so we will put equals to also, so that if the user age is 18, it will also can enter for the course. So now it says you are eligible to do this course. So we will refresh this and enter a age, suppose 50. Now it will say your, sorry, we have to write your here, and also we have to write your in here in place of you, so it will look good. So we enter 50 and it says your age is more than required to do this course. So now this is a good program. So because this program is user interactive, it says when we entered a age 15, it says your age is less than required to do this course, and if we enter 50, it says your age is more than required to do this course. So that's all for this video, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and in next video we will learn about switch case. Thanks for watching.